Hello students, welcome back to my channel Commerce Tute, your flight to success. And yes students, in this video we are going to study features of secretary. In the previous video, I hope you are aware that we have started with the first chapter of secretarial practice, of course 11th Commerce. The chapter name was secretary और हमने introduction, origin और दो definitions discuss किए हुए हैं. So let us now discuss about the features of secretary. Before going ahead children, those who are new to my channel, kindly like, subscribe and share that others also enjoy these videos. On that good note children, let's begin. Students, you can see in the form of arrows, they have shown you all the features of secretary. This presentation is a treat to the eyes because यहाँ पर आपके सारे जो features है एक साथ दिखाए गए हैं so that even we will be able to recollect when we will see this points in this way. ठीक है. So the first feature is individual, then duties, qualification, appointment, paid employee, confidential officer, representative and qualities. So these are basically 8 features of secretary. So students, let us discuss these features one by one in a very easy and simple manner. So the first feature is individual. Students, only an individual alone can be appointed as a secretary. Definitely, एक बंदा, एक इंसान ही secretary बन सकता है. Nor a firm, an institution or a corporate body cannot be appointed as a secretary. Definitely ना, group of people हो या एक company हो, वो appoint नहीं हो सकते ना as a secretary. So एक secretary जो appoint होता है वो एक ही इंसान होता है. That will be only an individual alone. Okay. A secretary has to be an individual as per the provisions of the company law and due to the skills required to fulfill the duties and responsibilities towards the employers. Definitely, a secretary has to be an individual, but as per the provisions of the company laws, जो भी company के rules है, regulations है, laws, as we are all aware as per the Companies Act, here in this case 2013, whatever has been applicable, they have to follow those rules and regulations. ठीक है. And they will also see what are the skills required. So जो भी उनकी duties है, responsibilities है towards the employers for who have appointed the secretaries, they work for them in a very efficient way. So definitely इस point से हमें पता चलता है कि एक तो है individual. I mean to say एक feature है individual, that only one person, an individual alone can be a secretary. ठीक है. Then let us go to the second feature, that is duties. A secretary has to perform routine and administrative duties. Definitely. Students, a secretary has to perform the duties on a daily basis. Okay. Administrative duties जैसे कि correspondence करना, communicate करना, meetings conduct करना, maintaining records, okay, which are very very confidential, important and providing information. So ये सारे administrative duties है, ये सारे routine duties है जो on a daily basis एक secretary को करनी चाहिए, करनी है. So basically these are their duties. Secretary also has to fulfill the day-to-day routine duties. Now there are something called as जैसे daily routine मतलब every day-to-day things which they are supposed to do or duties they are supposed to do related to the employer. और organization, वो कौन से काम होते हैं, जैसे क्लरिकल वर्क हो गया, पेपर वर्क हो गया, रिकॉर्डिंग हो गया, फिक्सिंग अपॉइंटमेंट्स, गिविंग रिमाइंडर्स, replying to other employees queries. So basically she is overall you can say all rounder. All the work she has to take care about on behalf of the management, and she has to act as a, you can say, a intermediary between the employees and the management or owners. Okay. So ये जो duties है ये by default उनको करनी ही है on a daily routine basis. ठीक है. Then the very important thing is these duties vary according to the nature of work of the organization or employer. In recent times, secretary has to ensure legal compliances. Definitely, ये जो duties होते हैं secretary के, ये company के work के हिसाब से बदलते रहते हैं, and she has to adjust or adapt herself in such a way that she is working or giving her 100%. She should also be aware about the legal compliances. जो भी legal rules है, laws है, acts है, it may be with regards to the companies or with regards to the registration, with regards to the income tax, with regards to the banks, all legal compliances she should have knowledge about. ठीक है. Then the third important feature is qualification. Students, every secretary must possess certain qualities and qualification as per the organization. Organization के कुछ rules होते हैं, regulations होते हैं, उनके जो qualities और qualification के जो bracket होते हैं, उस bracket में वो secretary she should fall under that bracket of having certain qualities and qualifications. Now, however, a person who is appointed as a secretary in a public or a private limited company needs to have a prescribed qualification according to the Companies Act 2013. So basically you can understand students that जब हम कोई गवर्नमेंट या कोई पब्लिक या प्राइवेट कंपनी की बात करते हैं तो उनकी एक प्रॉपर प्रिस्क्राइब्ड क्वालिफिकेशंस होते हैं कंपनी के एक्ट्स के द्वारा, जहां पर उनको फुलफिल करना पड़ता है वो क्राइटेरिया, एंड देन ओनली दे आर एबल टू वर्क एज अ सेक्रेटरी. नाउ इन केस ऑफ अगेन गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट, दे ऑल्सो रिक्वायर सर्टन qualifications as per the government rules and regulations. Now here I want to just tell you that जो company बहुत ही छोटी होती है और they appoint some person, individual person to take care of the company, तो in that case if it is a very small company, a very tiny company, तो वहाँ पर उतना obviously क्वालिफिकेशन कंपनी के हिसाब से ही रखा जाता है. द मोर ह्यूज, द मोर फेमस, द मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट द कंपनी इज, द मोर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ऑल्सो मैटर्स, है ना. तो कंपनी बहुत छोटी है तो दे ट्राई टू टेक पीपल जस्ट टू असाइन देम वर्क, बट जब हम गवर्नमेंट की बात करते हैं या पब्लिक कंपनी की बात करते हैं तो दे शुड हैव अ प्रॉपर क्वालिफिकेशन. ठीक है. सो दिस इज द थर्ड फीचर. द फोर्थ फीचर इज अपॉइंटमेंट. A secretary can be appointed by individuals, professionals, society, corporation, government, public organization, joint stock companies, etc. Obviously, ये सारे लोग जैसे इंडिविजुअल्स, प्रोफेशनल्स, ये जो भी हम बोल रहे हैं, ये सारे कंपनी सेक्रेटरी को अपॉइंट करते हैं. इन अदर वर्ड्स यू कैन से दैट सेक्रेटरी कैन बी अ पर्सनल और इंस्टीट्यूशनल सेक्रेटरी. नाउ इसमें क्या डिफरेंस है स्टूडेंट्स? जब कोई एक बंदा या कोई एक owner of the company hires a secretary for his personal work, he is called as a personal secretary, है ना. अगर कोई कंपनी या कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन या कोई गवर्नमेंट या कोई प्रोफेशनल्स they take on behalf of the company or institution, you can say, then it is called as institutional secretary. It's very, very simple. Then let us go to the fifth point or the fifth feature here, paid employee. Students, secretary is also a paid employee of the organization. ये बात अलग है कि उनका जो औहदा है, उनका जो पोजीशन है वो डेफिनेटली बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. कंपनी के बहुत ही व्हाट यू से वेरी वेरी प्रेशियस वर्क यू कैन से, कॉन्फिडेंशियल वर्क यू कैन से, बट ऑब्वियसली एट the end of the day secretary is also a paid employee. She might be paid either salary or honorarium. Students, you can see in the highlighted box also, honorarium का मतलब है a fee or a payment given to a professional person for services rendered. Definitely अगर आप एक qualified company secretary को hire करते हो, then you have to pay them their professional fee or payment as per their service. So definitely the secretary is paid the same way, either salary or honorariums. Although secretary is paid employee, secretary holds an important position. This I have already explained to you. उनका जो काम है, जो हमने अभी देखा, पर्सनल सेक्रेटरी हो या इंस्टीट्यूशनल सेक्रेटरी हो या रूटीन वर्क हो, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव वर्क हो, क्लेरिकल वर्क हो, शी इज द, you can say, the master of all work in the company. She takes care about most of the things. Okay, she is the one who interacts, or she also helps in the decision making of the management of the owners. So you may understand how big, how huge the responsibility of the secretary is, even though she is a paid employee. He or she is a paid employee. ठीक है. Then the sixth feature is कॉन्फिडेंशियल ऑफिसर, सी स्टूडेंट्स, कॉन्फिडेंशियल का मतलब क्या होता है? यस, confidential, secretive, custodian of secret. A secretary is a custodian of secret and confidential information of the organization. Definitely सेक्रेटरी क्या करती है, पूरा जो कंपनी का जो रियल इंफॉर्मेशन है वो उनके अंदर होता है. शी हैज टू मेंटेन दैट सीक्रेट एंड कॉन्फिडेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड डेफिनेटली शी इज क्लोजली कनेक्टेड टू द टॉप मैनेजमेंट. ये मैं हर पॉइंट में आपको बता के आ रही हूँ दैट शी हैज अ वेरी गुड, she has a very good, she will be having, because she is a secretary, so the management will be talking to her so that she passes all the information to others. Sometimes she is also in the position where she can also help the management in taking policy decisions. So her job is utmost important and very very confidential, so that's why she is called as a confidential officer also. The secretary can be male or female also. So here if I'm saying she, matlab he, it may be he also. ठीक है, he or she is a confidential officer. ठीक है. So I told you already कि वो कंपनी के मैनेजमेंट डिसीजन में भी हिस्सा लेती है because she plays a very very important role. Then seventh comes representative. A secretary acts as a representative of the organization. Definitely ना students, कि जब कोई कंपनी के बिहाफ पर काम कर रहा है, ऑल द कम्युनिकेशन, मेंटेनिंग रिकॉर्ड्स, फाइलिंग, मीटिंग, सब कुछ कंपनी के बिहाफ पर कर रहा है, तो डेफिनेटली द सेक्रेटरी इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग और एक्टिंग ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द कंपनी और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. Generally, secretaries are of two types, as I have already told you, personal or institutional. Secretaries appointed by individuals are known as personal secretaries, है ना. अगर कोई इंडिविजुअल है जो बहुत बड़ा ऑन्टरप्रेनर है, अगर उसका कोई सेक्रेटरी का खुद के लिए रखा है, उसने सिर्फ पर्सनली रखा है, इंडिविजुअल्स जब अपॉइंट करते हैं उसको हम पर्सनल सेक्रेटरी कहते हैं. एंड दिस सेक्रेटरीज रिप्रेजेंट देयर एम्प्लॉयज. डेफिनेटली आपने बहुत सारे लोगों को देखा है, जैसे कि सेलिब्रिटीज हो गए या स्पोर्ट्स सेलिब्रिटीज हो गए या बिजनेसमैन हो गए, दे अपॉइंट वन इंडिविजुअल्स एज देयर पर्सनल सेक्रेटरीज, जो उनके बिहाफ पर उनके सारे कामों को वो देखते हैं, फाइनेंशियल, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव एंड एवरीथिंग. दिस सेक्रेटरीज रिप्रेजेंट देयर एम्प्लॉयज, आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. Institutional secretaries are appointed by societies, companies, government departments and represent their organizations. I have explained this also. Institutional secretaries किसे कहते हैं? ये वो लोग हैं जो अपॉइंट करते हैं. कौन करते हैं? सोसाइटी करती है, एक कंपनी करती है, एक फर्म करती है, एक गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स करते हैं. सो ऑल दिस, they represent their organization. Mind it students, they represent their organization, neither their employers. इंडिविजुअल नहीं है, आई एम टू से अपने एक एम्प्लॉयर के लिए नहीं है, ये पूरे कंपनी के लिए है. दे रिप्रेजेंट द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एज अ होल. ठीक है. लास्ट बट नॉट द लिस्ट चिल्ड्रन, द लास्ट फीचर इज क्वालिटी. Quality means students, a secretary should possess certain qualities so as to conduct the secretarial duties smoothly. Definitely there are some qualities which सेक्रेटरी शुड हैव, क्योंकि उनका जो काम है वो उसी के इर्द गिर्द होता है, जो भी क्वालिटीज उनके पास है. तो थोड़ा सा भी उनका ध्यान भटका तो इट कैन हैव एन इम्पैक्ट ऑन द कंपनी एंड द कंपनी में गो इनटू losses, or even the reputation plays an important role. Qualities like concentration, intelligence, tact, loyalty, cooperation, courtesy, leadership, orderliness, and knowledge seeker assist in smooth and efficient working of the organization. Students, there are so many students who want to become company secretary. So some qualities are there inbuilt, but some qualities they have to develop. But a secretary should have certain qualities, because आपका जो body language है, that plays a very important role. How you can lead the team, how you can manage the entire work, and how you can make the company get profits, how the company goodwill will increase, how the reputation of the company will increase. And the more the contribution by the secretary with the available qualities, then definitely it will help them to work in a smooth and efficient way, and the organization will also progress. ठीक है. तो क्वालिटी प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. स्टूडेंट्स, आगे चल के हम क्वालिटीज के बारे में भी पढ़ेंगे इन डिटेल में. सो दिस इज द लास्ट फीचर, दैट अ पर्टिकुलर सेक्रेटरी शुड हैव certain qualities which make them a perfect secretary. So students, These are altogether 8 features of secretary. I hope these features are very clear to you. If concept is clear, kindly like, subscribe and share, children. So that's it in this video. We'll soon come in the next video with the next topic. Till then, thank you so much, students. Thank you.